Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious oat chocolate cookies. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Also, have 1 cup of softened unsalted butter and 1 cup of packed brown sugar. Don't forget 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups of rolled oats, and 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips. These ingredients will create about 2 dozen delightful cookies. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Gradually add these dry ingredients to your wet mixture, mixing until just combined. It's time for the best part, adding the oats and chocolate chips. Gently fold in the 2 cups of rolled oats and 1 cup of chocolate chips until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Now, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake these delightful treats in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until their edges are beautifully golden brown. Once baked, let your wonderful oat chocolate cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them set and prevents them from breaking when you move them. After 5 minutes, carefully transfer the cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect, firm texture. Store any leftover cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. Enjoy your homemade, warm, and chewy oat chocolate cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.